Studies show thousands of aging dams around the world are at risk of failure. One of the deadliest examples of this danger occurred in Derna, Libya. Before we begin, subscribe to the channel for real disaster stories and lessons. Derna is a coastal city in eastern Libya, located between mountains and the sea. A dry river valley known as Wadi Derna runs directly through the city. This valley becomes extremely dangerous during heavy rainfall. To protect the city, 2 dams were built upstream in the 1970s. The purpose of these dams was flood control and water management. Over the years, the dams received little maintenance or serious repairs. Cracks, erosion, and structural weakness slowly developed. Engineers and experts warned that the dams were unsafe. These warnings were documented but never acted upon. In September 2023, a powerful storm called Storm Daniel arrived. The storm brought extreme and unusual rainfall to the region. Water rushed down the mountains into Wadi Derna at high speed. The dams began filling far beyond their safe limits. Late at night, the upper dam collapsed under pressure. This sudden collapse sent a massive surge of water downstream. Minutes later, the second dam failed completely. A huge wall of water moved directly toward the city. Most residents were asleep when the flood arrived. There was no warning and no time to escape. Entire neighborhoods were destroyed within seconds. Buildings collapsed as the flood tore through the streets. Cars, debris, and people were carried toward the sea. Thousands of lives were lost in a single night. Many victims were never found. Rescue teams struggled due to destroyed roads and bridges. Hospitals were overwhelmed by the number of injured survivors. This disaster was not only natural but also man-made. Neglected infrastructure turned heavy rain into catastrophe. Political instability made safety management extremely difficult. Survivors searched through mud and rubble for loved ones. Families were separated forever. The emotional and psychological damage will last for generations. Experts agree this tragedy could have been prevented. Proper maintenance and early action could have saved lives. Many countries face similar risks from aging dams today. Derna is a warning the world cannot afford to ignore. When safety is ignored, the cost is always human lives,